ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ngut ki Samla Pule Khasi ki ba Pule ha ka Skulbah University of Science and Technology ka badan ha khandai mer Baridwari Bhoi District ke la yok khor ki Takma Ksiar halor ka jingle bha ki jing Pule degree ke jongki ha ka jing pen ko buram bala penlong da ka ni ka Skulbah ha ka khandre tarik ubnai no pra arajar arpuwei. Kini ki Ngut ki Samla Pule ki bala yok pediang ki Takma Ksiar ki kentup ya ka Samla Iban Teri Lingdo ka Samla Jennifer Judy Brown Rembai, Samla Datho M Karkongor, ka Samla Ibanela Suting, ka Samla Ibanita di Lapang, bat Samla Dus Ansar Maulong. Hagani ke jingpen ko buram ki dan hadu 6000 lai spa lai ho arngut ki Samla Pule ki bala yok pediang ya ki degree certificate, ha ka bakhat wengut ki la yok pediang ya ka PhD degree, Praspa ar pulangut ki Samla Pule ki bala yok pediang ya ka postgraduate degree, but sauspa khandai pu prangut ki bala yok pediang ya ka undergraduate degree. Nalor kini la samru ya ka doctorate of science Shah Dr. Ravi Kanan, ubadai director jong ka Kachar Cancer Hospital badyo Dr. Abdul Wase, ubadai professor of medicine jong ka Wright State University USA.
First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every graduate. It's a day of celebration, a day when we look back on many challenges we have overcome and look forward to those that lie ahead, knowing that you have the skills and knowledge needed to meet them. It's a day that you never forget. Congratulations to Padma Shri Dr. Ravi Kananji, Dr. Abdul Wasiji and Mr. Prashant Rajulji. They are the recipients of honoris Doctor of Science and they conferred upon in recognition of their outstanding contributions in their own fields by the Chancellor of this prestigious university. Dear students, I am aware that you have made many sacrifices for better performance and earn your degrees. At the same time, it's quite important on this occasion to recognize the efforts and sacrifices of those who have supported you on this journey. This includes your family members, your teachers, and the institution from where you are graduating. You owe a lot to all of them.
Berat kalau ayah mengaku berpihak tunjuk perlok và ngalap akoi adanya Skulbah mta umba ke jindor katumi dogo ba laptin ntiangi sedu sana yang dokumen sekadai ba yo kena medal dekat ngai kublai ya nei pai bala beris tinenti yang aduk nak kena aduk kena cimat bamta leleng baju i ba joki bangasa la ban poi kat aduk kena tong tunjuru kino hikai baro ki balai hikai yang aduk di school aduk ki college tunjuru apo jo kena university tam isar ai berseliang bala tinenti yang kecing kuliah baju ai mesin yang barbor leleng baju tinenti jungi ba sayo ban pendepok ya kan ya kecing kuliah